Hello everyone, welcome to Red9SysTech channel. Myself Karthik Ponnusamy. In this video, we are going to look at what are assignment operators in Java. So I have written a Java code for a demo purpose to explain about how the assignment operators works in Java. So I have int a equal to 10, int b equal to 20, int c equal to 0. So here I have defined all these three variables with 10, 20 and 0 for a, b, c. Now I'm going to perform the assignment operators. So basically assignment operators are nothing but we are going to assign a value to a variable based on some calculations. So as the name suggests, we are going to perform some assignment operators which are basic, like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, etc, etc. So let's go one by one. So c is equal to a plus b. So here I'm saying add a and b and assign the value to c. So that is why we are getting 10 plus 20 because a is 10 and b is 20, and that is why I'm returning c as 30 here. Okay, so let me run this program so that I can also go with the exam results as well to compare the data. Okay, c is equal to a plus b, which is equal to 30. So here I am adding a and b and the assigned to value to c. That is why c is giving us 30. Now the other way of writing this particular code is like this is the style of writing a code with c plus is equal to a. So what does it mean? C plus equal to a is nothing but the other way of writing as c equal to c plus a. So right now in this place the value of c is 30 because as per the previous line output the value of c is 30. So that is why c equal to c plus a is nothing but c equal to 30 plus 10, which is 40. So if you see here, c plus equal to a is nothing but 40. And then similarly for minus, so c minus equal to a is nothing but c equal to c minus a, and we are getting a result as 30. And similarly c into equal to a is nothing but c equal to c into a, which is nothing but 30 into 10, which is equal to 300. Okay, so we are getting the results as well here, right? I am comparing the data and the results in the console section. C divided by is equal to a, which is nothing but c equal to c by a, which is 300 by 10, which is 30, and that is what this one. And then c modular division is equal to a is nothing but c equal to c modular a, which is nothing but 30 modular 10 is nothing but 0. So modular division always returns the remainder, right? And similarly we have c less than equal to 2 and also like greater than equal to 2. So these are the again comparing the data and assigning the value to the shifting 2 bits on the c value, and then the value is 0 0 0. And if you see here c r is equal to a means nothing but c equal to c r a, which is nothing but 10, and c xr equal to a is nothing but c equal to c xr a, which is equal to 10, 0. So this is very important to understand the assignment operators in Java, because when we want to deal with the data, so whatever the data we are handling in Java, so we are going to do some manipulation and we are going to use variables to handle the data, to store the data in the memory. So when we do assigning the value to a particular variable, we should know how it actually works. So this is the way of writing assignment operators in Java. If you guys have any questions regarding the video, please post your comments in the comment section. And if you guys like this video, please hit the like button. So please share the video with your friends and also subscribe to the channel, and please hit the notification button to get new video updates. And I will see you in the next video, guys. Thank you. Bye bye.